नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world through two-way video conferencing and Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitter Live, and hundreds of Adi Navasis channels. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. First thing, blessings for Malaysia on this 60th Independence Day. Let Sadashiva bless Malaysia. And today, Nityananda Sangha Malaysia is starting Nityananda Sadashiva Yatra, beautifully traveling from city to city. Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva, Nityanandeshwari Adishakti, and Nityananda, all the three Murtis with the Spatika Linga. The Ratha Yatra is starting from today. Blessing Malaysia and Nityananda Sangha Malaysia. Let Sadashiva bless whole Malaysia and make this yatra successful and fulfill, bring completion, all the auspicious things to Malaysia and Malaysia devotees. So with this, I'll expand on Aushadha. We have Malaysia Sangha Anandaratham, two-way available. Blessings. Malaysia should have at least 21 Rathams like this, going all over Malaysia continuously. This January 8th, my birthday, I want Malaysia to start Padayatra all over the Malaysia. All the states of Malaysia, Padayatra should happen. From all states of Malaysia, we should be having Padayatra. So, I'll expand on Aushadha. Understand the science of Aushadha. Spiritual alchemy products create vibration, the frequency. Aushadha directly vibrate your body. Alchemy products are more like wireless. Sometimes works, sometimes not, and there is a fluctuation, ups, downs. But the Aushadha is directly plugging the wire into you. It works. On your very system, on body. So 100% it works and produces the result. No failure. Aushadha is a powerful component in Hindu tradition. Listen. Aushadha is the energy component. Very powerfully created energy matter combination. Listen. Energy matter combination. Yesterday we were having the second process for Aushadha. First we invoked the fire of Shivagni. See, when Vagishwara and Vagishwari, the Lord of sound getting converted to words. Listen. The pure substance assuming the form. The cosmic substance assuming the form. Sound becoming word. The Lord of that action, Vagishwara and Vagishwari. The union of Vagishwara and Vagishwari creates this universe. Shivagni happens when this union happens. Agamas describe when this union happens, Shivagni happens. So that Shivagni is invoked in fire and the Pudam. Pudam means purifying. The Pudam process was done. Now there will be further processes, purifying the Aushadha. It directly works on your system, puts you in that same state which is programmed in that Aushadha. This Aushadha is basically for Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutching state. This will reach you all before September, the Experience Aushadha program. September 9th and 10th. Before that, it will reach you all. Hope it will reach you all. This Aushadha is programmed for giving you the state of Sadashiva, the pure unclutched space of Kailasa, complete completion, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. That is the state from which all the best things express. All the best things express from that state. That is the fundamental first priority. Understand? Everyone tells me, no, Swamiji, that is supposed to be the last. When Patanjali writes Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Tarana, Dhyana, Samadhi. When Sadashiva writes Shashtanga Yoga, again, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Listen. Whether Geranda Samhita, Nata Sampradaya, Goraknatha, Maschendranatha, or Bhairava Sampradaya of Kashmiri Shaivism, or Lagulisha Sampradaya of Saurashtra, or Adishaiva Sampradaya of Agamas, or Padanchala, all of them keep the Samadhi in the last. How can you say, Swamiji? That's the most fundamental. Understand? They all know. Sadashiva knows the human mind. First thing when you pick up a book, you go to the last chapter only. All this blah, 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 blah. Let me go to the last chapter and find the conclusion. They know where you will look. That is where they kept the fundamental first thing. If you are not looking at the last page, last chapter, the moment you start, you are not intelligent guy. Understand? Fools read from first page. If you are new to some subject, you read from first page. If you are thinker in any subject, you just pick up the last chapter, last few pages. They know us much more than we know us. They know us. That is why the fundamental truth is kept as last chapter. The moment you pick up the Agama, blah, 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 blah. What's the essence? Tell me. What's the conclusion? Nirvikalpa Samadhi. And you need to understand, Sadashiva is very clear. He is not saying 6 steps to yoga. No. Ashtanga yoga. 6 parts of yoga. Understand? Shashtanga yoga. 6 components, parts, anga. Anga means parts, not steps. Nirvikalpa Samadhi is the fundamental. Fundamental. That is where life starts. That is where life begins. With this Aushadha, when you start using, suddenly you will see automatically completion happening. Inside you and outside you, more and more completion happening. All of you need to know, whole night I slept there, energizing the Aushadha. If you have watched the Aushadha process yesterday, you need to know. Only morning I came to do my morning oblations. Till then I was there, did not sleep because I need to maintain the high consciousness, programming the whole happening. Maybe today or tomorrow, this first Aushadha will be ready to be shipped to all of you. When you start using, you are supposed to apply on the forehead, both the temples and third eye. When you start applying, suddenly the tremendous completion, Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutching. Like how when you are tired, automatically you are sucked into that withdrawn Sushupti space. When you are high, automatically you will be withdrawn into that restful awareness. Turiya, Turiyatita, unclutched, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Automatically, the completion will start happening inside, outside, everywhere. You will be thoroughly prepared to receive the ultimate when you come here for Mahasadashivoham. This time, the preparing all of you, I started almost 100 days ahead. Still we have 100 days. Full September, October, full November, and December, I think 9 days. It's like we have almost 100 days in front of us. Preparing externally all the infrastructure needed, preparing internally all the initiation softwares needed. We have 106 days to be precise. And preparing all of you to receive Mahasadashivoham. If you are invited this time for September Nityananda Yogam, the Navaratri batch, you are blessed, don't miss it at any cost. You are going to watch all the Aushadha making processes. Nirvikalpa Samadhi manifests tremendous bliss material in your system. Bliss material, Ananda, becomes your fundamental cognition. Understand? I'll explain something about fundamental cognition. Cognition is a thought current in which you traveled so many times and came to the same conclusion. Now which happens without even you going through the same route continuously. Listen, I'll explain. Cognition is something A thought current you traveled again and again and again, came to the same conclusion. Now, you don't even need to think or travel through the same thought current to come to the conclusion. You just come to the conclusion. Yogis always slowly stretch themselves to the conclusion. Rogis jump into the conclusion. Understand? Yogis stretch themselves to the conclusion. Rogis jump into the conclusion. Listen. Much of your cognitions are bad cognitions. Cognition itself is not bad. Unfortunately, much of your cognitions are bad. For example, if somebody behaves nicely, you think that person is very good and he is your friend. Stupid. Your completion needs sweet, beautiful behavior and support. Your incompletion needs a ferocious Kaliyan, Narasimhan, Sarabeshwaran, Ugra Pratyangara. But unfortunately, people who talk nicely, you think they are good people and they are your friends. When you have this wrong cognitions, life becomes hell. Coming to conclusion, without cross-verifying, understanding whether the thought current I am traveling is still relevant or right. Understand, in the society, if somebody behaves nicely, he is a good person, is okay. But not when you are interested in achieving something great, achieving something ultimate. Here, who reminds you about your goal, he is the good person. Who keeps you integrated to your goal, he is the good person. Not, you don't have to get up. Why are you getting up in the morning? Why are they torturing you to come for yoga? If coming for yoga is a torture, then you should not be here. Coming for yoga and you are given time to do yoga is a blessing. You are given an ambience to do yoga. The same yoga which you are getting trained or able to practice here, if you have to get trained and practice in New York, you need to spend at least $10,000 a month. The facilities and the kind of teachers we have, and the constant inspiration and push, and especially the kind of food you are given, which makes your body understand. There is something called making the body very flowing, graceful. The food you are given, ambience you are provided, Sahayogis available, means this kind of a group consciousness where such large number of people practicing, and ultimately Guru constantly upgrading and pushing you to raise to the next level. all this infrastructure, physical and human infrastructure and education and the literature and all the support, especially the right food. New York has no food. New York is food desert. Understand? You get food-like products, not food. If you want to have all this, whatever you are provided, now which is going to get added more and more. Even if you have money, getting the Haritaki powder every night in your table is not a joke. Go and live in New York, then you will understand. How many cabs you have to catch to get the right unadulterated Haritaki powder and bring it to your table. If all this need to be provided to you, you need to spend at least $10,000 a month, every month. I'm talking only about yoga. And even with the $10,000, I guarantee there is no yoga studio in New York which can give you Shastra Pramana for what you are asked to do. Shastra Pramana means authentic, not ak yoga, jak yoga, jik yoga, book yoga, no. Akamaka, chikamaka, no, not that yoga. Yoga, yoga. Yoga from the context. I think this word context has become very popular among the people who are listening to the satsang regularly. A lot of people are watching satsang regularly. Listen, even with the $10,000, you will not get the Shastra Pramana, where the original verses are taught, translations are given, and you are learning. Whether the food you are given, the Vatavarana of yoga. Understand? I tell you, people who cherish enmity towards me, they can talk whatever they want. Not out of arrogance or pride or anything, I'll tell you. Honestly, with all my integrity, nowhere the ambience, Vatavarana for the spiritual growth with such scriptural authenticity is created or getting created like Bangalore Adhinam. Buildings we may be building, we have not yet completed, but the conscious understandings people need to have, the foundation, I tell you, we are successful. Thanks to Mahadeva, Sadashiva and Kalabhairava for keeping us so highly integrated and all the non-integrity fellows kicking them out left and right. If not for integrity, for what this whole efforts? I should say, really, Sadashiva did it. Mahadeva made it. What a sweet, beautiful way he is evolving the human beings who are very sincerely catching up and cognizing integrity. Especially after we took the decision that let's not have anybody who is not practicing this science in the campus. With the decision, now we are self-dependent, means independent. When you are dependent on I, you are independent. So when we don't have anybody who is not practicing this science here, suddenly the whole atmosphere is evolving, developing, raising to more and more. I tell you, my vision of making this place best spiritual ambience on the planet Earth. Where even the air you breathe is A-I-R-E. Authenticity, integrity, responsibility, enriching. Even the air you breathe is A-I-R-E. It's really evolving. It's really evolving. I could see. I'm almost confident now, the way we are working, we will be completely ready for Mahasadashiva. To host 2018 people. Get ready with the right aushadha, on September 9th to experience aushadha and Nirvikalpa Samadhi. We do have Yogitva, the program, September 11th to October 1st, 21-day program. You can come and experience and enjoy our yoga ambience, yoga vatavarana. Not $10,000, not even $5,000, not even $1,000, just $500. Literally $25 a day. Just $25 a day. Even if you breathe in US, you need to spend $25 a day. Forget about eating or drinking. Even if you inhale and exhale US air, you need to spend at least $25 a day. And here, not only inhaling, exhaling, you can do even pranayama with the $25. Food, classes, program, everything. Authentic yoga camp to manifest divine and powerful yogic body for you, Yogitva. So, we have continuously many programs, Yogitva, Shaktitva, Sadashivatva. And Shaktipada. Various programs continuously happening. I welcome all of you to come and enjoy, experience the best spiritual ambience getting created on the planet Earth for manifesting spiritual enlightenment, state, space, and powers of Sadashiva, ultimate. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.